Bro, we in New York, baby!
We're complete for the season. I got pretty teens overseas, yeah. Shopping sprees for a week.
Bro, we in New York, baby! Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Okay, we are back in New York, baby. Back into New York. This is my baby girl. This is Victoria. Victoria doesn't have any social media because, you know, she lives under a rock. But, you know, this is Victoria. She's helping me move in. I was staying in my friend's apartment. It's really cute. I'm not going to show you guys anything because it's not my place. And we're going to move to campus right now. We were going to take an Uber, but nobody has the money. So we're going to take a train and come with me on that journey. So we'll see you guys later. For the first part of my stuff, that's my bag. And that's my purse. My suitcases are downstairs. So we're going to go get those and head out. Gramercy Green. Thank you, Victoria, for helping me with all my stuff. I'm in the elevator going up to my room. It's on the 15th floor. My roommate sent me a picture of the room, so I have a cute view. I'm really excited. My hair's a mess, I'm sweaty, but I'm finally here. So me. This is me. Oh, it's okay, it's fine. Ooh. This is my new room. So I get 2 desks because I don't have a roommate this semester. I have a suite mate though. I made the mistake of thinking that I had a roommate. And the 2 beds together turn into like a king size bed, I guess. And I have these huge windows with a cute view of the city, so that's pretty cute. And LED lights put on. This is our kitchen. My roommate already moved in earlier, so she has her stuff here already. How it looks. We have an oven, a gas lit stove, microwave, dishwasher, and a pretty big fridge. And this is our little common area. And the bathroom is nice and pretty. We have stuff in here. I don't want to really show anything but this is how it looks. This is the shower. And we have extra closet space over here to put like cleaning supplies. I put my stuff. I ordered a package earlier, so it came, and I have one more downstairs. I moved my bags in, and all I have to do is arrange all my stuff. But I'm gonna go to CVS. So I basically moved in all my stuff into my room. So I'm gonna go to CVS to get some cleaning supplies and other things that I have to order, groceries. I have to do a lot to move in, but you know, it's really whatever. Let me go get the groceries and I'll be back to unpack my room. Are everything I got from CVS. I got an extra bottle of hand sanitizer because, you know, you never know how much you need. I bought some crew socks because I just didn't have any and I thought, like, you know, I need some. I got some mouthwash. I bought 2 new toothbrushes because I wanted to change mine. I got the CeraVe healing ointment that makeup for women of color has been talking about on, you know, social media. She says like really great for your skin at night, so I got that. Some Tide Pods for my laundry, some new lotion for my body, some, you know, disposable shaving sticks because like my legs have gone crazy, body lotion, swabs, cotton swabs for my ears and stuff, so, and flushable wipes because toilet paper doesn't just cut it. So I'm back in my room and we're in school, baby. We in New York. What's up? What's goody? This is my closet behind me. My roommate moved into my room on accident, so she left her LED lights in here. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the air conditioner, so I'm sorry. She left her LED lights, so I'm gonna buy her some so she can just use them and I could leave these. What else? I ordered some clothes, some cute little clothes from Honeybum. I don't know if you can see that, but I got some clothes from Honeybum, so I'm not gonna do a haul. Should I? It's like, I only bought like 3 things. It's not really a haul, but something cute or whatever. So, do you guys see this view? You see this large window? I wish I got the corner room. I was this close. Literally the corner room is next door and it's like floor to ceiling windows. But you know, this is still cute and whatever. So I'm gonna do some unpacking and you guys are gonna watch that. But before I do, I'm going to, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna take a sip. This, a strawberry acai refresher with lemonade. It's so good. That's literally so good. I drink these every time, like before class and everything. Oh yeah, before I start unpacking, NYU gave us a little, you know, welcome to school goodie bag. So I'll turn the camera around and show you what came inside of that. I'm sorry this vlog is everywhere. It's just been a rough couple of days. Anyways, I'm here, whatever. So let me show you guys what's in the goodie bag. Then I will go pick up a package from downstairs and come back and unpack. NYU gave us some spare masks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gave us a bottle of hand sanitizer. And they give us like 2 reusable masks, 2 black ones. The other one is like on the bed. And they also gave us like a thermometer to check our temperature before like classes and stuff. So I think that's really cool. You know, okay, NYU, do the bare minimum. But we appreciate it though, because I don't think a lot of other schools are doing that. So yeah, shout out to NYU for this. And it came in this purple bag as we were like moving in and stuff. So yeah. So I got my package. This is from Depop. You know, I'm being sustainable and not trying to buy fast fashion. I'm kidding. I'm not the best at being sustainable, but I will be trying. So I got this from Depop. It is okay. It's so cute. It's the ndemic bodysuit, playsuit. I don't know, but she's that cute. She smells clean, like she's been washed, but it said it's never been worn and it was brand new. So I got it. Do I want to try it on for you guys, or do you guys want to see it on my Instagram? Oh, she gave me a sticker. It says Melody. I pronounce it Melody because there's an accent over the O. So I'm gonna say that's Melody. Is there anything else in the bag? Oh, and her sticker. So her name is Natalia Roth, and she, you know, is a Depop seller. So, yeah, Natalia Roth, and another Melody sticker. I don't know what this is for because I don't think her name is Melody. And yeah, this is cute. This is mad cute. It looks big on me. It looks big, but she said it was like an extra small. Yeah, it says it's an extra small right here. Hi, I am Gia. So I will try that on. I will show you guys in a different video, but for now I'm going to unpack my stuff. And yeah, I need to go buy sheets. I don't even know how I'm gonna do that, where I'm gonna do that, but we'll figure that out. As you can tell, I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be here. I'm in the city. Okay, that's making too much noise. Okay, she's off. Okay. Let me unpack my room and let me unpack. And you guys can watch me do that if you want to. And yeah, I don't really have much to say. Oh, and you saw the honey bun package earlier. Oh, I cannot wait to show you guys this top. It was big on Instagram for a little bit. Mini haul. Okay, I got a little tank top with like a butterfly on it, and then I got this this corset. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, I have to have it. So let me show you how it looks. I don't like the feel of it though. This is how it looks. The feel of it is not what I thought it would be. That's what you get with fast fashion anyways. But yeah, I've been talking too much. I will go away now.
Fight.
win.